Mark the incision to be made. Apply liquid on cotton. Rub the cotton on leg. Make incision form top to bottom on the mark. Attach clamp on the left side of the incision. Attach clamp on the right side of the incision. Tap to open the incision. Insert blue wire to upper. Insert yellow wire to upper muscle. Now connect the fractured muscle. Drill a hole on the lower part on the bone. Now attach the wire to the hole. Insert screw with the screwdriver. Now stitch the incision. Apply cream. Attach band-aid.